In this video, we're going to use the CARR MP10 machine to test setting grommets in webbing. Webbing comes in many different constructions, and results with it can vary as much as the webbing itself. In today's test, we will try three different grommets. One is a brass grommet with a flat washer, and in this case this is not a CARR grommet. We notice that the shape of the washer is somewhat different than ours and is not going to be a perfect fit for our die set. The second and third grommet sets that we'll be trying are CARR grommets, brass and stainless steel. We don't use flat washers, we use tooth washers. These both center better than flat washers do and hold the material better than flat washers do. Before we make any test settings with grommets, we're going to simply punch a hole in the webbing. This particular webbing doesn't cut cleanly. You can see some fibers that are uncut there. This happens because it's made up of very, very thin fibers, and sometimes the blade can't cut those thinnest of fibers. So let's attempt a setting with the existing grommets. Remember, the tools for this machine are not ideal for these grommets, so they may not set great. Notice here too that we have a spacer bar that allows us to set grommets at a uniform distance. I've got these about maybe 4 inches apart at this point. Okay. And this setting looks fine from this side. Our top die fits the grommet pretty well, but it does not fit the washer very well. And what you can see here is the washer has kicked off center. The off-center washer also reveals a bit of the uncut fibers from the hole cut. Now we move on to the CARR brass grommet with the CARR tooth washer. And as with the other grommet, the setting looks great, but the difference is on the back side, the washer is on center, and leftover fibers from the hole cut are not really very visible. Finally, let's do a setting with CARR stainless steel grommet with tooth washer. And we have another high quality setting, top and bottom. Let's talk about the little bit of residual fiber that might be visible on the back of the setting. There are really two solutions to this. One is to get a type of webbing that will cut clean, and that's typically got a coating on it. And the other is to pre-cut the hole if you have a method of cutting a clean hole in this webbing. It's important to note that while an off-center washer might compromise the hold of the setting, visible fibers are only a cosmetic problem if it is a problem.